and now it's delivered the output, and this is an article that could literally rank 1. You see we have all our metadata here, 4,700 words, and you see we have all this over here interlinked and everything. Now we did this entirely with Claude and SEMrush automation. That is exactly what this video is about. So this entire flow from SEMrush keyword research to outline to finish. All right, let's get straight into it. So I'm in my Claude over here. As you can see, I have Cowork open. Let's go to skills. Now I have a bunch of skills, all right, that I'm going to be giving away for free. But just so you know, I have this plugin created, which is the content creation engine. This is a plugin unlike any other because it's a multi-step plugin wherein it goes from researching to checking your keywords, your competitors. It checks SEMrush, it'll create an outline brief, it'll edit it, and then it's going to create a fully finished outstanding piece of content. So if you can see this is the workflow of the plugin that I just showed you. So you see we have all these steps, and this is how it looks like. So the first phase is where you add in the keyword. If you can see, select your keyword. So once you add in the keyword, I'll show you how it works in just a moment. You add it, and then it'll go ahead and automatically open up SEMrush and check for your keyword data. Okay, so it's an agent that is actually working for you. I've set up this plugin. There's nothing like it. After that, it'll go ahead and build a full outline. Then you approve it. If you don't, then it'll go ahead and do the improvements. Once you approve it, article drafted, then it reviews the article. All right, there's a 100-point marking system. It's very sophisticated. From there, it'll go ahead and then apply the fixes if there are any. So we have this score criteria over here. It'll then go ahead and add in internal links, and then you get the finished document. So this is how this workflow works. Now I'm going to show you how to put it into action. So I'll just go ahead to my Cowork, and all I have to do is say run content engine. That's it. Go ahead and click on enter, and it's going to run the entire thing. Now if you all want to get your hands on this plugin, which is literally going to do the research for you and is going to create the content, is going to edit for you, create it. This is going to replace writing teams and SEO teams also to a large extent. As you can see, this workflow over here, and it executes it perfectly from the research to creation of the outline, internal linking, and everything. All right. So it does take a bit of time because this is high quality work, 10 to 15 minutes, and then you have a finished piece of article. So in the beginning, it's going to ask you all these questions, very well structured. So how would you like to set the target keywords? You go ahead and provide the keyword. So you want to add in the keyword over here for the blog or the landing page. I also have a calendar feature over here. So this is part of a larger content system that I've created. If you guys, if any of you are a business owner or serious marketer, you want help with this, you'll find the link to my landing page in the description. So this is where I'm going to be setting up this entire automation engine for you on Claude for free. All right, so go through this, fill in the form, and then we could work together. That being said, let's come back to Claude and fill in the information. So I want to create an really good article on Claude skills. Okay, as my primary keyword. If you check it in SEMrush over here, you see it has a ton of volume. It is difficult. I mean, it's a very broad keyword. CPC is good. And I think it looks, I wanted to cover this keyword, so I'll go ahead and cover it right now. Secondary keywords you could add, or you could skip this because Claude is automatically going to go into SEMrush and going to find secondary keywords for you. Okay, so if you don't have any, that's fine too. Any additional notes if you want to include, you could do that, So once you go ahead and fill all your information over here, there's a lot because we are trying to do the best, highest quality work possible. You also might want to set your SEMrush because it's, like I said, it's going to use SEMrush. So you might want to set the country. For me, it's US. I also have this ICP document, which is very helpful. and I'll start the pipeline. Now all you have to do is chill, because it's going to do everything from the keyword research to the outline to editing and everything. You can monitor this from time to time. It will ask you for certain things, like you might have to give approvals. So you take a stroll, but come back and check as to everything is okay, anything needs your approval. But that being said, it's going to run this entire outline, and you could also see SEMrush run in the background. If you see over here, it's opened SEMrush automatically. Now this is actually Claude working on SEMrush. This is Claude working, okay? So you see it adds the keyword over there, and now it also has this little mouse thing to show that Claude is actually on it. So it's really cool. It's going to register the volume, CPC, everything that's required for this keyword. It's also going to go and search on the search results. So the SERPs is going to gather information from here as well. Now you see it's going into the top results pages and going to study these pages, the content on them, the keywords and everything. All this is automatic. So you see the benefit that you're going to get when you get this outstanding plugin of mine. All right, so you see it goes into some other pages, some other websites to collect whatever information it can on this keyword that we've given it. So check this out. It's done with the research phase, and you see it went ahead and researched the top 3 competitors. People also ask questions, right? So we want that in the content as well. So we've collected 11. Reddit threads also have mentioned. So if there are any relevant threads for this search result, currently there is not, and the keyword opportunities. So now it has all the research done, and now it's going to head to the next phase, which is building the content outline. So this is, a really comprehensive workflow, a plugin that you're going to be using within Claude. All you have to do is add in the keyword, and not even the keyword. If I get this set up for you, all you have to do is sign up with my affiliate link, and then I'm going to set this up for free. And not just this, you'll also be going to getting a landing page and CRM automation. So you can collect the traffic that you get. You'll get access to everything on this landing page. Or if you want to strictly learn, I just started this school community. So you're going to be getting additional skills and information here. So go ahead and join this. It's brand new. Feel free to join this. And now it's delivered the output, and this is an article that could literally rank 1. You see we have all our metadata here, 4,700 words, and you see we have all this over here interlinked and everything. Now we did this entirely with Claude and SEMrush automation. That is exactly what this video is about. So this entire flow from SEMrush keyword research to outline to finish. Now, like I mentioned, if you'd like to get this automation, and if you're serious about getting this automation, you can get your hands on SEMrush and these other tools. Go ahead, fill in your information in this form, and I'll help you set this up. Otherwise, if you just like to learn and you'd want access to some of these skills, go ahead and take a look at the school community.